Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if you can use your TREZOR Model T and another, either also TREZOR or another hardware wallet to both access the same wallet, the same assets and the same crypto. Yes, of course that can be done. Once you set up your TREZOR, you can either set it up as new or recover it from the backup phrase. And the backup phrase works in a way that if you if you type it in then on the hardware wallet, then it will generate the same private keys every time, which leads to having access to the same money. And you can do it on several different devices. So if you have your recovery phrase with you, then like if you generate it on one device, you can later on type it in on a different device and store one in a different country than the other one, or store one in a bank safe or somewhere else for convenience or for additional security, however you feel like. Yeah, so also it's worth mentioning that this is why it's so important not to share your backup phrase with anyone, because it can be used to later on recover the wallet and access all the funds on the wallet. And by the way, remember about passphrases. If you're using passphrases, remember that you need to use those as well on both devices. And if you don't know about passphrases and want to learn more, or want to learn how to set them up on TREZOR Model T, there is a video on it on our channel. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.